I have the mobile woodworking shop set up outside under the shade tree. Nice weather day, it's breezy, ignore the wind noise. And what we're building, we're going to make a new swing. I made this one so long ago. I think it's about 12 years old, and it's starting to fall apart. It's really a safety hazard. So we're going to build one. I didn't show the original build, that was before I was really into YouTube, but I'm going to show this one in spots like this. That's not good. I'm going to reuse the chain. And I've already got the lumber. The lumber's over here in the trunk. Here it is. All treated, all good to go, waiting for me. So I'm starting out with the arms first. I took this coffee can and I traced a semicircle, and we're trying out a brand new jigsaw. I bought one a while back, but it disappeared on me. This is the cheapest one the big box store had. I'll let you know what I think about it. The new saw and the new blade work out pretty good. Now I've got the old swing down on the ground. I'm using that as my pattern for the new swing. There's going to be some similarities, there'll be some differences. One similarity, this was built 6 feet tall. 6 feet long. I'm 6 feet tall. That way I can lay down on it. And I know the wife, she said, just make it heavy duty, so I'm doing heavy duty. I've just cut out arm number 1. I've got number 2 laid out. I traced it from arm number 1. It's moving right along. So now I've got both arms cut out, and now I think I'll do the bottom frame and seat. Then we'll do the back and put it all together. And here's what I have so far. Both arms cut out. I got the bottom seat boards cut out. I've got 2 of the runners for the bottom cut out. This tells me how high the arm is going to be. 1 backboard. Just trying to get a feel for what it's going to look like. This is kind of what it's going to look like. So the backrest, I just laid it out and screwed it together. It will flip up, spin around, and then slide in. It'll screw in from here. It's coming together good. Oh, and then there'll be a 2x4 that goes here, and probably another 5/4 board that goes here to trim it out. And the glue is exterior water resistant. And here's a shot of the armrest coming together. Could do this armrest, that armrest, the trim on the front, the trim on the top. This baby's done. Well, put the chains on it and swing it. Put the chains on it and hang it, then swing it. Okay, the swing is all done. I've already sat on it. It feels good. The only thing left to do, there is a 5/4 board here that needs to go here. There's a 2x4 that needs to go here. I got to buy both of those. And I got to cut these ears off. This ear, those 4 ears. Then I got to drill holes and put the chains on. Hang it from the bus stop. Dispose of that one. Done. So tomorrow will be chain day. I got all the tools loaded up. I'm going to go to the shop with the Troy belt. It is swing project day number 2, and what you just missed, I drilled a hole here. I drilled a hole on the other side. I did some sanding here. I did some sanding along the front, along the edges. Same thing over here. Drilled a hole, sanded a little bit, and then I've been removing the hardware and the chain off of the old swing. That's all you've missed. If we look at the chain, it's still in really good shape. And a comparison, stainless steel versus not stainless steel. That's why it's so much more expensive. That's the government spying on my swing. Update on the swing, I just bought another 2x4 and a deck board. Deck board goes down here, 2x4 goes on the back. We'll get the hardware. Oh, I bought some new hardware. And then on the hardware, these are 5/16 eye bolts, 5 inches long. Some have seen better days. They're all a little bit rusty. I went ahead and splurged and got 3/8, 6 inches long. They were basically the same price, maybe 20 cents more each. Went ahead and got the heavy duty ones. And then the old swing gets hauled off.